Welcome to another video. We have a Nintendo Virtual Boy today. As you guys probably already know, these guys suffered from a lens problem. This is the lens that you're seeing on the video. From what I know, and I've been doing a lot of research. We've done this in the past, quite a few times. I'm just gonna let you guys know exactly, from my understanding, these connectors here that you see are simply glued onto the board here. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this piece of tape, and then we're going to solder each and one of these connectors and put it back together. What the system is suffering from right now is the usual, just glitchy lines on the screen, on the lenses. So it's probably like a bad connection. 90% of the time this fixes the issues. We are going to start by applying a little bit of heat and removing that film from the top. By the way, the Teflon tape, the Kapton tape that you see at the bottom, I just put it on there because the glue on here is kind of coming loose, so I didn't want to risk this connectors breaking anymore. So I applied a little bit of heat. This should easily come out. I need a little more. And this just requires just a little bit, not too much. So this is just gonna, I'm just gonna pull this back for a little bit. We're just gonna solder these connectors here. So these are simply glued onto the connectors. We're going to apply a little bit of solder on each one of them, and then put it back together, and we should be good. I want to clean it a little bit and cut a piece of that tape that you guys can see there. So we are going to do that. That way we have a little more access to it, and then we can put some Kapton tape on top. That is very good. We're gonna keep it down like this. And then we're gonna clean it off with some alcohol. You can see that glue coming out. It's a little bit sticky. So these are copper wires, very thin, and they're simply not connecting or making a contact properly. Now that we have that on there, we cleaned it up a little bit. We are going to apply a little bit of flux. This is mechanic flux. And so we're going to turn the fume extractor and apply some heat. We're just going to run this very gently across the pads. There's, as long as they make contact, we're good to go. So we're going to do this. So far, so good. We're doing great. And clean our solder tip and continue. We just need the edges. We're going to clean the tip again and continue around across. And these we don't need since they are not making contact to anything. Just verifying. These are bridged, these are one, that's fine. Very good, very good. Everything seems to be good. These ones are not needed since they lead nowhere. So everything seems good. I'm going to clean it up with some alcohol. Making sure at the same time that nothing is bridged. If I wanted to, I could even go further with the solder, but since we only need the tips, I believe this is fine. So here, let me show you guys. I'm gonna push the tabs a little bit so you can see the traces. So very good contact, for example, on here. Very good contact, very good contact. Very good. Very good. So these, as you guys can see, the solder is underneath these pins here, so That's exactly what we want. What I'm doing is I'm just scraping off a little bit of that extra glue that was on there. So there you go, guys. This is how to approach a Nintendo Switch Virtual Boy. I was a little concerned because of the way this was bending. For example, in these areas here, but I think it's just, I think it's fine. And we could touch these pins here and make them, but I think they're fine. Yeah, they're okay. You see this? It's just a crease, but they're fine. I'm gonna add some Kapton tape and close it up, put it together, and call it a fix. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. See you guys again in the next video. Comments, suggestions, always welcome. Until the next time. Bye-bye.